He's all right. Yeah.
Do you know him?
No.
You don't know him at all?
No opinion? You know anything about him?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
How do you know about him?
We met a few days ago on a boat. He's actually all right.
Oh,
Yeah.
whoa, what the fuck?
Honestly, I was surprised. I thought he was going to be a complete dick, but actually he was.
Why did you think he was going to be a dick?
Obviously, all the videos going around, like he just comes across as a complete misogynist, but he's actually like, he's decent.
Every single video.
He's really cool in person.
Every video you think he comes across like that way?
I don't go and watch his videos